Welcome to PlayOwnAi. Today we're building AI-powered something absolutely incredible.
Hi,
Hello, I'm your friendly AI assistant here to help with questions, information, or just to chat. How can I help you today?
seeking investor to enhance Bangla AI call center with multi-channel, serving bank, e-com, telecom, and any other industry in Bangladesh.
Great. It sounds like you have an exciting AI call center project and are looking to attract investors, particularly for serving industries like banking, e-commerce, and telecom in Bangladesh, with potential to expand into other sectors as well. Here's a more polished version of your message that you can use to reach out to potential investors or partners.
We're talking about Pipecat AI Project 01 of this series. Build your own first voice AI bot with Pipecat Cloud, using OpenAI and Deepgram for next-level AI call center tech. That combining the power of Pipecat, OpenAI, Deepgram, and Cartesia to create your very own voice assistant. And the best part, I'll show you exactly how to build and deploy it. No fluff, just results. So if you're ready to dive into the future of conversational AI, let's get started. Please subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest AI automation tutorials. Let's open browser and search for the Pipecat AI website. Then click on the second link that appears in the search results. Visit pipecat.ai and click on the Docs button and visit docs.pipecat.ai. Quick Start section provides a step-by-step guide. Setup. Let's start our journey by clone the Pipecat AI repository from GitHub. Open your terminal and run the following command: git clone. After cloning the repository, cd pipecat quick start. Configure API keys and environment variables. Copy the example environment file to create your own .env file. cp.env, example.env. Open the .env file in a text editor and add your API keys and other necessary environment variables. You can find the required keys in the Pipecat AI documentation. Now open code editor loc versus code Pipecat AI directory. Open .env API keys and other necessary environment variables. Deepgram, OpenAI, Cartesia, optional, daily API key. Visit Deepgram website by searching for Deepgram AI in your browser. Create or login account and obtain your API key. To create an API key, provide name and set expiration. Then click on Create API Key button. Copy the key and paste it in the .env. Visit OpenAI website by searching for OpenAI in your browser. Create or log in an account and obtain your API key. Dashboard settings API keys create new secret key. Provide name and select project. Then click on Create Secret Key button. Copy the key and paste it in the env code. Visit Cartesia website by searching for Cartesia AI in your browser. Create or log in an account and obtain your API key. Provide name and slug to continue. Dashboard platform API keys create new secret key. Create a new key by. Provide description. Clicking on Create API Key button. Copy the key and paste it in the env code. Visit Daily website by searching for Daily AI in your browser. Create or log in an account and obtain your API key. After verifying your email address, provide subdomain name and click on Create Subdomain button. Open Dashboard of Developer page. Here need to add payment method to continue. Create a new key by clicking on Create API Key button. Copy the key and paste it in the env code. Now back to Quick Start page. Set up virtual environment and install dependencies. Run UV-sync. Finally, run your bot with the command uv-run-bot.py. It should start up and you can see the bot in action URL. Click or copy the URL to your browser. Click connect to your bot. Start a conversation with your bot. Boom! You have a working bot now.
Hi.
Hello, I'm your friendly AI assistant here to help with questions, information, or just to chat. How can I help you today?
Seeking investor to enhance Bangla AI call center with multi-channel, serving bank, e-com, telecom, and any other industry in Bangladesh.
Great. It sounds like you have an exciting AI call center project and are looking to attract investors, particularly for serving industries like banking, e-commerce, and telecom in Bangladesh, with potential to expand into other sectors as well. Here's a more polished version of your message that you can use to reach out to potential investors or partners as seeking investment. Multi-channel AI call center in Bangladesh. We are building an advanced AI-powered call center solution designed to handle customer interactions across multiple channels: voice, chat, social media, and email efficiently and intelligently. Our platform is tailored for high-demand sectors including banks, e-commerce, and telecom, with the scalability to support other industries in Bangladesh's rapidly growing market. Key features: seamless multi-channel support, AI-driven customer assistance and analytics, industry-specific modules for compliance and personalization, 24/7 multilingual operation capability. We are seeking investment or strategic partnerships to accelerate product development, expand our team, and onboard more clients. If you're interested in transforming customer service in Bangladesh's digital landscape, we'd love to connect. Let me know if you'd like help refining this further, or if you need a pitch deck, email template, or details for a business proposal.
Okay, can you provide to me important investor list that is relevant to AI call center?
Absolutely. Here's a list of investor types and a few examples who have shown interest in AI, customer service technology, or startups in South Asia, including Bangladesh. While direct contact information isn't always public, you can typically reach them through LinkedIn, their websites, or via introduction to capital firms global and regional. 1. Sequoia Capital India and Southeast Asia. Very active in tech and AI across South Asia. 2. Akhil, global VC firm, invests in technology and AI solutions. 3. Sajida Foundation Venture Capital Bangladesh, has supported tech-driven startups in Bangladesh. 4. IDLC Venture Capital Fund Bangladesh, focused on innovative tech startups. 5. BD Venture Limited Bangladesh, invests in early stage, high-potential Bangladeshi companies. 6. Grameenphone Accelerator, supports Bangladeshi startups in digital and tech innovation. 7. Y Combinator, global accelerator funding promising AI and SaaS companies. 8. 500 Global 500 startups, invests in early-stage tech companies globally. 9. Gobi Partners, focused on South and Southeast Asia with AI investments. 10. Golden Gate Ventures, active in the Southeast Asian startup scene. ## corporate investors / strategic partners, Telenor Group parent company of Grameenphone, interested in telecom innovations in Bangladesh. Project Enterprises, sometimes invests in local technology innovations. Robi Axiatas are ventures, startup accelerator with investment in digital services. Angel Networks, Bangladesh Angels Network Ban, Pidaka Angels, connects startups with local angel investors. ## where to find more. The LinkedIn, search for venture partners, associates, and startup program leads at the above firms. To Bangladesh startup ecosystem groups, join local tech and founder groups on Facebook, Slack, or WhatsApp for introductions. 20 events, monitor events like Bangladesh Startup Summit, Bangladesh Innovation Conclave, and workshops by BASIS Bangladesh Association of Software and Information Services. If you want contact recommendations for a specific firm, tips on how to best approach investors, or need a sample introduction message, just let me know.
Support line. Get assist. Stuck anywhere, or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel at PlayOwnAi. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next AI automation guide. Your feedback helps me create the most useful content possible. So, what's on your mind? Tell me what you're struggling with in comments. I might just build a full tutorial on it for you. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with PlayOwnAI Playground. Our mission is simple and ambitious to help millions of people adapt to the AI revolution with clarity and confidence.